Ever pondered the effectiveness of your current homeowners association or HOA? Perhaps you've had a moment where you questioned, is this really the best we can do? Today, we're diving into the world of HOAs and exploring a solution many might not consider: dissolving an ineffective HOA. Now, dissolving an HOA in Georgia may sound intimidating. It's a process that requires careful planning, strategic thinking, and a fair share of legal knowledge specific to Georgia's laws. But fear not. We're breaking it down into digestible steps to help you navigate this path with confidence. Firstly, it's important to understand the reason behind the dissolution. Is it due to poor management, lack of transparency, or simply because the HOA no longer serves its intended purpose? Identifying the problem lays the groundwork for what comes next. In the second step, a comprehensive analysis of the governing documents is conducted, specifically keeping in mind Georgia's distinct regulations. These documents, comprising the bylaws and declaration of covenants, conditions, and restrictions, hold crucial information on the protocol to follow for dissolution. Thirdly, it's time to rally the troops. Keep in mind, an HOA is a democratic structure, so a majority of homeowners need to back the dissolution, as per Georgia's laws. This stage could likely involve numerous discussions, gatherings, and potentially even debates. The fourth step is to seek legal counsel, preferably someone well-versed in Georgia's HOA laws. The process of dissolving an HOA entails navigating through complex legal procedures, and having a specialized attorney ensures that all actions comply with the state's specific regulations. The fifth and final step is to file a dissolution with the state of Georgia. This typically requires the submission of documents like a plan of dissolution and distribution of assets to Georgia's Business or Corporations Division. Now, it's worth noting that dissolving an HOA isn't the end of the road. It's an opportunity to form a new, more efficient organization within the framework of Georgia's laws, designed to serve your community more effectively. Reflect on what will succeed the old HOA, whether that's a fresh HOA or a distinct model of community management. To summarize, the dissolution of a non-performing HOA entails recognizing the issue, inspecting the governing documents, mobilizing homeowner backing, obtaining legal advice, and filing for dissolution with the state. It's not a decision to make hastily, but for certain communities, it might be the most suitable option. The intention is not to induce disorder, but to cultivate a community that's transparent, fair, and productive. Therefore, if you're doubting the effectiveness of your HOA, it might be time to contemplate a change. After all, isn't the core purpose of a community to serve and elevate its members? Here's to establishing communities that do precisely that. As you step into the future with your new Property Owners Association, POA, or whatever form your community management takes, it's crucial to establish fair and equitable methods for sharing expenses. Transparency in financial matters is key. This openness not only boosts trust but also encourages homeowners to take an active role in their community. Regular financial reports are an excellent way to maintain transparency. These reports should be comprehensive and straightforward, making it easy for every homeowner to understand where their money is going. Open budget meetings are another practical method. These meetings give homeowners the chance to voice their opinions, ask questions, and stay informed about financial decisions. A clear dues structure is also essential. This structure should detail what each homeowner's dues cover and how these dues are calculated. It's important that every homeowner feels their contributions are being used wisely and that they're not shouldering an unfair share of the expenses. By implementing these methods, you can ensure that all homeowners contribute equally to the community's expenses. This engenders a sense of fairness and cooperation that can only strengthen your community. After all, a community that works together, thrives together,